Welcome to the warmth and beauty of wood with the freedom of a durable, maintenance-free product. This is Longboard. Longboard is aluminum soffit and siding that looks like wood, only better. Manufactured in North America to the highest environmental standards, Longboard premium architectural products are distinctive and durable. Longboard is beautiful, and it stays that way. It resists weathering, humidity, and salt spray. Unlike wood, it won't rot, warp, peel, or fade. Longboard is impervious to insects, and our anti-graffiti coating ensures the look of your project even in high-traffic urban areas. Longboard offers unsurpassed value compared to wood, fiber, cement, vinyl, and stucco. We've eliminated the ongoing costs associated with staining, painting, repairing, or replacing traditional wood soffits and siding. Longboard comes in over 20 wood grain finishes, and solid colors are also available. Longboard is backed by a 15-year finish guarantee. Longboard is LEED certified. Our Illuminate process combines advanced powder coat technology with a high-performance, chrome-free pre-treatment, resulting in the highest level of environmental stewardship that exceeds all industry standards. When you're ready to spend your time on something other than maintenance, it's time for Longboard. Better than wood.